Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to try and recreate Billie Eilish's TikTok viral makeup. So without further ado, let's start this video. Hair up, blue eyes in, glowy skin,
and open invitation.
eyebrows,
Animals, evidence. Pearly gates look more like a picket fence. Once you get inside them,
hers are slightly more bushy.
hills burn in California. My turn to ignore you. Don't say I didn't warn you. All the good girls go to hell, 'cause even God herself has enemies. And once the water starts to rise and heaven's out of sight, she'll want the devil on her team. My Lucifer is lonely. Look at you, needing me. You know I'm not your friend without some greenery. Walking wearing feathers, Peter should know better.
This really feels much better.
You cover up, it's caving in. Man is such a fool, why are we saving him? Poisoning themselves now, begging for our help. Wow. Hills burn in California. My turn to ignore you. Don't say I didn't warn you. All the good girls go to hell.
The difference from one eye to the other with that simple step, it's very uncomfortable, let's be honest. However, when you don't want to make a lot of eyeliner on your eye, it's a very nice trick, especially for people with hooded eyes or mature eyes.
My God is gonna own me.
She also added powder on top of it. I'm just gonna use a very dark bronzer.
I want you to stay.
Basically, this is called a reverse cat eye look or something like that, but because a proper cat eye look also has the inner eyeliner here, like the pointy one, and this one doesn't, so it's like not exactly that, but same concept. It's just so flattering, this eye look. I'm just gonna do a light shade on the lid.
Of a feather, we should stick together. I know.
By the way, I'm not following her video, but I have the image in front of me. Now, I don't like to curl my eyelashes. It just feels weird to me. I don't even do it on my clients. But I have a trick that could help. Either use a piece of paper or there are tools for it. Grab the piece of paper, your mascara, put the paper here on top of your eyelid. And just brush on it. See the difference?
You wouldn't believe if I told you. You would keep the compliments I throw you. But you're so full of shit. Tell me it's a bit
I know she did like this tint, but it's really unnecessary to do that.
and I don't know what I'm crying for. I don't think I could love you more. Might not be long, but baby, I don't wanna say goodbye. Birds of a feather, we should stick together.
So basically, she has like a pinkish brown, like nude color lip liner, and then lighter on the inside and faded a little bit. I think she has some kind of lip gloss. Now I'm not gonna add any freckles because I already have mine. So I'm gonna add some blush.
Birds of a feather, we should stick together.
And some highlight.
That same look in your eyes.
Now this is the viral makeup recreated. However, this is not what I usually do. I usually get transformed into the person. So I don't look like Billie Eilish right now, but can I look more like her? Let's see. Let's start.
Visions I weaponize, cold in this kingdom's eyes, built from the ash that lies. You should see me on the throne, turning the quiet into stone. Watch them bow and moan, one by one, by one, one by one, by. You should see me on the throne. Your silence chills me to the bone. Watch me claim my own, one by one, by one, one by one, by one. Shuffle the cards, let them burn. Lessons I'll never return. I like the way they learn. Fear, tell me what's worse, the pain or the curse. Buried alive in verse, I don't dream. You say come closer, darling, I think you need me. I say I'm frozen, darling, don't think you see me. You should see me on the throne. Shadows obey when I'm alone. Watch them break and groan, one by one, by one, one by one, by. You should see me on the throne. Your silence makes my kingdom grow. Watch me take control, one by one, by one, one by one, by one. White shirt, now red, my bloody nose. Sleeping, you're on your tippy toes. Creeping around like no one knows. Think you're so criminal.
And this is me trying to look more like Billie Eilish.
Thank you, or please I do what I want when I'm wanting to. My soul so cynical. So you're a tough guy, like it really rough guy. Just can't get enough guy, just a whistle puff guy. I'm the bad type, make your mama sad type. Make you go for mad type, might seduce your dad type. I'm the bad guy, duh, I'm the bad guy.
What do you think? Did I manage to resemble more, or do you prefer the first look? I hope you enjoyed this transformation. If you did, please leave a thumbs up and consider subscribing. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
You play the role, I'll be your animal. My mommy likes to sing along with me, but she won't sing this song. If she reads all the lyrics, she'll pity them, then I know. So you're a tough guy, like it really